How to delete phone number on Snapchat. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this easy tutorial. Starting off, launch a Snapchat app in your device. Then head to a Bitmoji option, which will be in the left hand corner. Tap on the setting gear option. Select on your mobile number. Now in here, to delete it, all you have to do is select the number, then just press on the delete option. However, you need to enter another number on your Snapchat, as this is because for your own privacy and safety as well. If you somehow forgot your credential, you'll be able to recover your account via your phone number. So, enter a different phone number, then verify yourself by entering the OTP code sent to your designated phone number. And that is how you'll be able to change your phone number on Snapchat. However, if you really want to delete your phone number, you can check out the help and support of Snapchat. Select on the setting option, then scroll down to the very bottom. Select on I need help. Now wait until it loads up. In the search bar, all you have to do is search for delete my phone number. You may find articles related to your solutions. If not, you will find a portal for an appeal. Just go ahead and give them a reason why you want to delete your phone number on Snapchat. If not, follow the next step of changing your phone number into the one that you currently use. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.